Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning platform of BSIT's Mechanical Engineering Department. I am Viren Birdi and we are studying manufacturing processes. We have started studying unit number 3, casting processes and plastic molding, carrying 18 marks weightage in our syllabus. In the previous video, we have seen the different materials that we can use for making the patterns. In this video, we are going to study the different types of patterns. So let's get in. Now, as we said, there are different types of patterns. The first type is single piece pattern. It is generally used for making large sized simple casting. मोठ्या साईजचं सिम्पल शेपचं जर कास्टिंग असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी आपण सिंगल पीस पॅटर्नचा उपयोग करतो. इट इज लेस एक्सपेन्सिव्ह ॲज कम्पेअर्ड टू अदर टाइप्स ऑफ पॅटर्न. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द quantity of the casting to be produced, it is usually made up of wood or metal. किती क्वांटिटीमध्ये आपल्याला कास्टिंग्स काढायचे आहेत त्या क्वांटिटीवरती अवलंबून आपण तो पॅटर्न आयदर वूडचा करू किंवा मेटलचा करू. कमी क्वांटिटी असेल तर वूडचा पॅटर्न तयार करणार, जास्ती क्वांटिटी असेल तर मेटलचा पॅटर्न तयार करणार. फॉर मेकिंग द मोल्ड, single piece pattern is used either in the cope or in the drag. कोप आणि ड्रॅग काय असते आपण नंतर बघूया. Stuffing box of steam engine can be cast by using single piece pattern. It's an example where we can use single piece pattern. The second type is split pattern. म्हणजे तो स्प्लिट करणार आहे आपण. So patterns of complicated shape castings cannot be made in one piece because of the difficulties associated with the molding operations. ज्या ठिकाणी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड शेप्सचे कास्टिंग्स तयार करायचे आहेत त्या ठिकाणी आपण वन पीस पॅटर्न वापरू शकत नाही आणि म्हणूनच आपण त्या ठिकाणी स्प्लिट पॅटर्नचा उपयोग करतो. Such patterns are made in two pieces called as split pattern or two-piece pattern. Now let us see the figure where we can see about this arrangement. Its upper and lower parts are accommodated in the cope and drag portions of the mold respectively. वरचा जो भाग आहे तो कोप मध्ये असतो आणि लोअर जो पार्ट आहे तो ड्रॅग या मोल्डच्या पार्ट मध्ये असतो. For keeping the alignment between the two parts of the pattern, डॉवेल पिन्स आर यूज्ड. दोन्ही जे पार्ट्स आहेत कोप आणि ड्रॅग किंवा अप्पर पार्ट आणि लोअर पार्ट यांना प्रॉपर अलाइनमेंटसाठी आपण डॉवेल पिन्सचा उपयोग करतो. सो हियर वी कॅन सी दॅट देर आर स्प्लिट पॅटर्न्स, राईट. सो दिस इज द कोप, दिस इज द ड्रॅग. हे मोल्डिंग बॉक्सेस आहेत. याच्यामध्ये आपण हा 3 पार्ट्समध्ये स्प्लिट केलेला आहे आणि हे जे आहेत याला आपण डॉवेल पिन्स असं म्हणतो की ज्याच्या सहाय्याने आपण या वरच्या आणि खालच्या म्हणजे कोप आणि ड्रॅगची अलाइनमेंट करून ते एकमेकांमध्ये व्यवस्थित बसवलं जातं. ओके. The third type is loose piece pattern. Now some patterns embedded in the molding sand cannot be withdrawn. Hence, such patterns are made with one or more loose pieces for their easy removal from the molding box. And these patterns are known as loose piece patterns. So in the figure, these A and B are the loose pieces which remain attached with the main body by using the dowel pins. These patterns consume more time for molding operation and require more labor work also. So that is the third type. The type of pattern is cope and drag pattern. It is another form of split pattern only. The pattern is split about a suitable surface or a line. Each half of the pattern is fixed to a separate plate, and besides the pattern, it has provision for molding runner and gates. रनर आणि गेट्स पण आपण नंतर बघणार आहोत. Each half of the pattern is molded separately in a separate molding box and then assembled for pouring. नंतर ते पोरिंगसाठी असेंबल केले जातात. These patterns are used for producing large castings. मोठ्या साईजचे जे काही कास्टिंग्स तयार करायचे आहेत त्याच्यासाठी आपण कोप अँड ड्रॅग पॅटर्नचा उपयोग करतो. Number 5 is gated pattern. To increase the strength and reduce the tendency of warpage, gated patterns are generally made of metal. They are made up of metal. By using gated patterns, number of castings can be made at a time. Hence, they are used in mass production system. Gated पॅटर्नचा उपयोग आपण मोस्टली कुठं करतो तर ज्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मास प्रोडक्शन करायचं आहे, नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटी ज्या ठिकाणी जास्ती आहे त्या ठिकाणी आपण गेटेड पॅटर्नचा उपयोग करतो. द सेक्शन्स कनेक्टिंग व्हेरियस पॅटर्न्स सर्व ॲज अ रनर अँड गेट्स. फिगरमध्ये आपण बघूया. This facilitates filling of the mold with molten metal in better manner and reduces the required time and labor. If we see in the figure, that is, this is called as the runner आणि हे वेगवेगळे गेट्स आहेत आणि हे बेसिकली पॅटर्न्स आहेत. सो ॲट अ टाइम वी कॅन हॅव 8 पॅटर्न्स. या रनर गेटेड पॅटर्नमुळं आपण ॲट अ टाइम 8 कॉम्पोनंट्स तयार करू शकतो. अँड हेन्स दे आर यूज फॉर मास प्रोडक्शन्स. These patterns are used for producing small castings. छोटे कास्टिंग्स करायचे असतील तर आपण गेटेड पॅटर्नचा वापर करणार. The next is match plate pattern. Okay, so these patterns are made in 2 pieces, that is, one piece mounted on one side and the other on the other side of the plate, called as match plate. एक मॅच प्लेट असते आणि मॅच प्लेटच्या दोन्ही बाजूंना आपण वेगवेगळे पॅटर्न तयार करतो आणि ते एकमेकांना मॅच करतो. ओके, हे जे होल आहे इट इज बेसिकली फॉर लोकेशन, म्हणजे प्रॉपर अलाइनमेंट व्हावी ह्याच्यासाठी त्याचा आपण उपयोग करतो. द प्लेट मे कॅरी वन पॅटर्न ऑर ग्रुप ऑफ पॅटर्न्स माउंटेड इन द सेम वे ऑन इट्स 2 साइड्स. दोन्ही बाजूला असणारे जे पॅटर्न्स असतील ते सेमच असतात. The plate can be of wood, aluminum, magnesium or steel. The match plate has runner and gates attached with it. आत्ताच आपण त्या फिगरमध्ये बघितलं. Match plate patterns are generally used in machine molding because they produce accurate casting at faster rates. Piston rings of IC engines are made by using these type of patterns. So that is about match plate pattern. Now apart from these 6 types, there are few more types of patterns like sweep pattern, skeleton pattern, segmental pattern, follow board pattern and lagged up pattern. So in all we have more than 11-12 pattern types, of which we have studied 6 in detail. Let us see a small video.
Solid pattern. Now we are going to see about solid pattern. The solid pattern is the simplest type of pattern, exactly like the desired casting. For making a mold, the pattern is accommodated either in cope or drag. The molding process is quite inconvenient and time consuming, so Such patterns are used for producing a few large castings. Split pattern. Let us see an example for split pattern. A split pattern is a solid pattern which is split into two halves. This split pattern has dowel holes and dowel pin for joining both halves. These split patterns are used for casting large products. Match plate pattern. Let us see an example for match plate pattern. Match plate patterns are widely used for casting products more than one in a single molding box. Scope side pattern, drag side pattern, match plate. In this, the split pattern with runner and gate system are mounted on a wooden or a metal board called match plate. Scope, drag. Then this match plated is assembled with the scope and drag box. This match plate with split pattern can be withdrawn from the mold easily. Scope and drag pattern. Let us see an example for scope and drag pattern. It consists of scope pattern, drag pattern, match plate. The pattern made up of two halves are mounted on individual match plates. Flasks are placed individually on each side of the pattern. In this, the scope and drag part of the mold are prepared separately and assembled for casting. Scope and drag are removed. These patterns are used for casting heavy products. Gated pattern. Let us see an example for gated pattern. Runner, pattern, gate, spur. In the mass production of castings, more mold cavities are formed in single mold. Such molds are formed by joining a number of mold cavities by using common gate and razor system. Hence, this type of patterns are called as gated pattern. Skeleton pattern. Let us see an example for skeleton pattern. In small number of large casting, it is not economical to use solid pattern. In such cases, skeleton pattern are preferred. Skeleton pattern is a ribbed construction of wood which forms an outline of the pattern. This wooden frame is filled with loam sand and rammed. Strickle board. The surplus sand is removed by strickle board. For round shape, the pattern is made in two halves and joined with glue or by means of screws. Loam sand. Sweep pattern. Let us see an example for sweep pattern. Sweep pattern are used for forming large symmetrical mold by revolving a sweep attached to a spindle. Spindle, sweep, cavity. Segmental pattern. Let us see an example for simple segmental pattern. Segment of casting, pivot pin. After ramming one section, the segmental pattern goes to the next section. This process is repeated until the entire mold is completed. Mold cavity. Shell pattern. Let us see an example for shell pattern. Cope half pattern. Drag half pattern. Shell patterns are used for casting hollow products. Outer shape of the pattern is used for making the mold. Core. Inner shape of the pattern is used for making the core. Loose piece pattern. In this video, we are going to see about loose piece pattern. Loose piece pattern consists of pattern and drag. Now, the pattern is removed from the drag.
So that is all about the different types of patterns. In the next video, we will see the different allowances that are given on the patterns. Till then, thank you and take care.